Hey everyone, welcome back to Sarifim Labs. I'm Chris, and today I'm giving you a full tour of my personal Cybersecurity Homelab setup for 2025. This is where I study, build, test, and grow as both a creator and defender in the cybersecurity world. Everything here is designed for hands-on learning, red teaming, blue teaming, and real-world practice. I built this lab with one goal: to grow my skills in real time, documenting the journey, and inspiring others to build their own battle stations from scratch. No corporate labs, no gatekeeping, just raw learning. Everything I do with Sarifim Labs, tools, walkthroughs, tutorials, starts right here. Let me show you how everything is laid out so I can move efficiently while testing tools, attacks, and defenses. On the main monitor on the right side, this is where I run Kali Linux inside VirtualBox on my MacBook Pro. This is my red team terminal. Everything from Nmap scans to Metasploit tests happen here. On the left side of the same monitor, I have my Proxmox Homelab server. I've got Windows 11 running as a victim machine and an Ubuntu VM with Wireshark to capture and analyze the traffic. To the left of that is the vertical monitor where I use the Mac terminal to SSH into Proxmox, where I can run HTOP and monitor logs, CPU usage, memory, everything like that in between. The very left monitor is a Proxmox CLI. This display is hooked directly into my Proxmox server. I use it to monitor system resources, run commands, and eventually watch logs from the Sarifim tools as I build them. Now let's talk about the gear powering this lab, because it took time, planning, and a little patience. This is the brain of the operation, my Proxmox host. I went with a B-Link Series 5 mini PC with an AMD Ryzen 5. It's got 16 gigabytes of DDR4 with 500 gigabytes of SSD. So I can run multiple VMs at once with no lag, no limits. For my router, I'm using a TP-Link AC1750 Archer A7, which connects directly to my home modem via a RJ45 Cat8 Ethernet cable. And for the switch I'm using, it's a TP-Link 8 port gigabyte switch. To keep things secure and isolated, I'm using a dedicated router and switch just for the lab network. That way I'm not messing with my main internet when I'm testing attacks or misconfigurations. As for the third monitor, because yes, I went with the Acer 21.5 inch Full HD. I wouldn't say you necessarily need a third monitor. You can just plug your mini PC or your dedicated server into another monitor you have and boot it up and download the ISO there if needed. But I chose a third monitor just in case I want to separate the displays and isolate it furthermore, just to prevent any more confusion or whatnot. But the 3 monitor setup keeps everything separated and tactical for me. It's not just aesthetics, it's each screen has its job, and that keeps the workflow clean and focused. If you're interested in building your own lab, I've linked all the gear I use in the description below. They are Amazon affiliate links. Using those links helps support the channel, so thank you. Well, I believe that's it for this video. If you're a beginner like me breaking into the industry, I hope this video inspired you to create your own home lab. You don't necessarily need all the hardware. You can always start with a virtual machine. In the next video, I plan on capturing packets and begin monitoring traffic as we simulate attacks from Kali to Windows. So make sure to subscribe, drop a comment if you have questions, and follow me on X and LinkedIn for weekly behind the scenes content. This is Sarifim Labs. We build, we break, we rebuild, and we rise.